Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to show here how to make a curved arrow. So really thing is really important. What you're gonna do is about to draw a certain arrow with this one, and as you can see we have drew an arrow. Now press on that and we can have a pen tool that is actually really depending on that one. So I think actually we can have a certain moment about to go with. So we have to start to draw a pen first was a tool and then start to go with a certain thing that is really about to stroke and go to stroke and make a head arrows heads maybe, and we have to see where it is. So really arrows and doesn't matter. So we have also to make it with, okay, it doesn't actually work with the stroke. So we have to see here right now, this is really line arrow, and here it is. Okay, so we can see this is the arrow. It's really small, but we can see that it's really can be complement about it. And if I make it like this, it's really an arrow, and we can see right now that I can start to drag it with my pen. And okay, however, if you took a certain line like this, you can draw arrow with a certain pencil with yourself, but if you are looking for this line, you can actually start about to make it really like this. And that is all about here to help you